So there are a lot of you that are wondering, how do I farm the ASTER airdrop and the points, and what does everything mean? So we are gonna go and check that. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we are here first of all by joining my team. The link will be down below, or utilize my code. You will get a 10% of the invite, as you see here, the rebate. So come and join me. And this is all the people that have joined. So how do you get it? Well, simply let's go to the point system right here, and we understand this one. Now, personally, you only earn the airdrop, first of all, if you trade perpetual. There is no point allocation for spot holder. I am a spot holder of the token. There is no allocation for all of you. The points are earned very easily, and there are also two other protocols out of Aster that I want to talk about in this video for you to go and join, because they are something that people are very much under farming, and they're focusing on Aster, which is good, but there are also other two that you can go and separate your money to, and we're gonna talking about that later. So we have the trader point. What are trader point? Trader point are simply based on your trading volume. Make millions of trading volume, and you will get a lot of this point. Position points is based on the amount and duration of your holding. So hold a position. Don't go crazy with a 50x leverage and get risking to get liquidated. Open a 10, 20x leverage, 15x, 5x leverage, and this way it will stand in longer period of time, and you will get more point this year than the trader point. You get the profit bonus, which is based on the profit that you do of the day. So you need to be profitable, but you can also be a bad trader, kind of like what I am right here. I make points from losing my trade instead of making the trades. And then you have the asset holder, which are the USDF and the ASBNB points, which are their native token. And then the referral point are shared within the whole community. Now, as we see here, utilize my code or join my invite, and you will get a 1.5 boost. We are approaching at the end of today. We are going to be at a 1.5 boost, meaning that you will get 50% extra points on every single point that you earn on Alter. So come and join with me right there. But the point system is super easy. It is literally simply hover your points right here, and you get everything that you need to know. Go on the rewards tab on the point, and here, if you have it, make sure to go and insert my code or join my link, and you will get yourself a nice boost. And by doing that, you're giving, possibility to farm it all together. I'm not a multi-millionaire. I'm not here bragging about how much money I make. I'm a simple YouTuber that try to make videos for you that are helpful. So thank you for the support. And here we got the trade point. And by the way, come also and join my Telegram community. Free to join for all of you. Link will be down below. And I simply share the profit and the loss and technical analysis for free. You don't have to do anything. Simply come and join it. And as you see here, I share daily profit and loss and technical analysis of things. But this is how we're able to farm it. And remember, all of these points are for perpetual traders only. No spot traders, none of that. Only for perpetual. So go and trade perpetual. Doesn't have to be Aster token. It can be, you can do a lot of volume with BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You can do a lot of volume with all of those if you wish, as they do have up to 100x leverage. The next two platform which I am farming as well, and you should too. The first one is Pacifica. Now, Pacifica is the only one on Solana. It is said to be backed by FTX, coming out of retirement apparently. And I do have limited codes only, so the link will be down below. Come and trade me. And just like Aster, it is a perpetual deck. So have 100 on Aster, or $1,000 on Aster, $5,000 on Pacific, or 500. Go and deposit. It deposit directly from your Phantom wallet over on Solana. Aster, when you go and deposit, it deposits from your EVM wallet, so your MetaMask wallet. And here you simply deposit and you go and trade. You then have all of the things, your total money that you have. Here we got the point system. The point system is now live and is super, super underfarmed. They have just crossed $1 billion in a 24-hour day in terms of trading. So it is growing, but very slowly. And this one is gonna do it. Then we got the referral. As I said, I do have limited tokens, only 54. So come and join, first come, first serve. And then you have the point, and you do get over as well over here points. You get, I believe, a 5% rebate and a 10% extra boost on point on Pacifica if you go and trade with a community like mine. So come and join. Very, very important. And as we see here, I am trading. I got a position open over on Ethereum, as we see right here, which is actually nicely on profit. I will go and cash it out and make some profit right now. And the other one is SunPerp. Now, SunPerp, I do like it because it is always a perpetual decentralized exchange, but it is run by Justin Suns and the Tron DAO. Tron being the number 4 or 5 token in the world in terms of size. This is their perpetual deck. So at any given time, Justin Sun and Tron can literally make this one skyrocket. This one can literally go 10,000% in one day, this token. So that's why I'm long on the Sun token. The link will be down below. You have welcome bonus. You have, possibility of free gift when you come and join me. So the link will be down below. But I am long on this token and on the platform because I do think that it's going to be really, really big when they decide to kick it in and boost it. They only have a volume so far of $50 million on their token. Just give it some time and it will absolutely skyrocket. As we see here, the volume on Bitcoin is only 43 Bitcoin. So it is very, very much under farm. And this is what I like. Stamper, Pacifica, which is this one right here, which between all of them, after Aster, I will go and farm Pacifica the most, and this is why I do have my biggest position here. And then Sunper. But for Aster, it is super, super easy. Come and trade with me. Come and join my community. We are at a 1.5 multiplier, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you all for the support. We trade as a community. We win as a community. And we have bonuses, 10% over here on Aster. We do have it. We have 10% plus 5% on fees over on Pacifica. And Sunper, the nice thing about Sunper is that it has no trading fees. So make of that as you wish. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I will see you all later. And I'll see you in the Telegram channel. Ciao, guys.